This video is an unboxing, and we're going to install this. It's a Carlinkit 4.0, and it takes a car that's equipped with factory Apple CarPlay or Android Auto and makes it wireless. So what you can do with this kit is plug it into your car's USB port, the one that the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto gets plugged into. And then every time you get into your vehicle, you wouldn't have to plug your phone in. So you could leave it in your pocket, or you could put it in the console, whatever you wanted to do with it. So we'll see what comes in the kit here. All right, so it looks pretty simple. A little smaller than I thought it was gonna be. So, very, very tiny. So this is a iPhone 13 mini. So even compared to a miniature phone, you can see how small it is. Comes with two different cords. So for my car, it uses this USB port, USB-A, and then the other end is a USB-C, because this takes USB-C, I believe. So we'll probably end up using that. But if you have a newer car that uses a USB-C, then it provides you with that cord. So the only pieces of hardware you have are the cord and that. Comes with an instruction manual. The price varies on these on Amazon. This one was, I think, right around $94. This instruction manual is in English and another language, Asian language. All right, let's go out to our vehicle and install this and see how it goes. All right, so we have our USB-C. We're gonna connect to our unit here, and then our USB port on my car, which is a 2017 Honda CR-V. It's the left USB port down in the console here. So I got that plugged in. Just gonna let it sit there for now. All right, so once I do that, I wanna make sure the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is on. Okay, so I want to enter the Bluetooth interface. Would you like to enable Apple CarPlay? Always enable. Okay, so I have my USB and my Apple CarPlay port in the car. Got the USB-C in this part of this device. Then I have at the bottom, I have a USB connection that I'm gonna plug my regular charge cord in. And then plug this into my phone. There's other devices. It says it's connected. Got a green light there, I don't know. The green light, it says successfully connected, so I don't know why mine is reading not connected. I don't know. I'm gonna try unplugging this and see what happens. Try opening Safari. And going to this website. That's these numbers: 192.168.50.2. Okay, car brand. Please enter Honda. Car model. car years. I'm guessing it means year. Okay. It has me updating. Maybe time consuming. So you have to upgrade the firmware. So that worked. Update success. Check update down here. We're gonna go ahead and check update again because it says click update. This is, looks like from June 9th. So we're getting closer. So there may be multiple updates that you have to do one at a time until you're fully updated. So I'll try refreshing this website. Okay. Check update. Already the latest version. That's when it check update. Already the latest version. Okay. So let's try something. Let's try shutting the car off. And then let's just see what happens if I start it. It loaded Apple CarPlay on its own. My phone's over here. Okay, please use the phone to connect to Bluetooth. Okay, I didn't even have to do that. So, there's my Apple CarPlay. I noticed it rearranged my icon, so I'm gonna have to redo that, but alright, so it works. So it was kind of one of those things where it would have been good if it would have given more like positive affirmation that you were on the right track. But basically, once you plug it in and you just go to that website, and I'll put it on the screen. Well, you've already seen it by now. You just keep updating until it says you don't have to update anymore, and then you're good to go. So what I'll do now is I'll just leave this plugged in down here in the console, and then when I get in the car, I can either leave the phone in my pocket or just set it anywhere, cup holder or wherever, and don't have to worry about it. Hope that's helpful to somebody.